Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted your Instagram feed to appear right on your Wix website, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly integrate your Instagram posts so visitors can see your latest updates automatically. Whether you run a business, a creative portfolio, or just want to keep your site fresh, this guide will make the process easy and clear. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your Wix account, head straight to your website design dashboard. This is the central spot where you make all the visual tweaks and customize your website's pages. If you've never been here before, it can look a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, adding your Instagram feed is honestly quite straightforward. Now you'll want to add a new section to your page where the feed will go. Think of sections as the building blocks of your Wix site. Each one is like adding a new shelf or picture frame where you can display something special. Click Add Section, usually it's clearly marked, and choose a location for it. For example, many people like to showcase their Instagram feed near the bottom of their homepage or on a dedicated gallery page. You can pick wherever makes sense for your site, there's no wrong answer here. With your new section in place, let's move on to the next step, adding apps. Look to the left side of your Wix editor, you should see an Add Apps button which opens the Wix App Market. If you're new to this, think of it as an app store specifically for your website. Here, you can find all sorts of helpful tools and widgets to boost your site's functionality. In the app market, use the search bar to type in Instagram feeds. You might see a few different options pop up from various app developers. Take a moment to scan through and check out their features. Most will display your feed in a neat grid layout, and some offer customization options like changing the number of posts or tweaking the style to match your brand colors. Once you find an Instagram feed app that looks good, go ahead and click Add. Wix will ask you for permission to install the app and may prompt you to connect your Instagram account securely. This part might take a few moments, especially if it needs to sync with your Instagram, but don't worry, just follow the simple on-screen instructions. It's normal for there to be a short wait while your feed loads in for the first time. And that's it, your Instagram feed should now be live on your Wix website. Refresh the page and you'll see your latest posts appear, updating automatically whenever you share something new to Instagram. This is a fantastic way to keep your website looking fresh and engaging, and to encourage visitors to interact with your social media. If you ran into any hiccups along the way, maybe the feed didn't load, or it looks a little funny, try double-checking your Instagram connection, or look for style options in the app settings. There's usually a way to customize things until they fit just right. Thanks so much for sticking with me through this walkthrough. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want tips for other Wix features, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides just like this. See you in the next video.